Good afternoon, Gary's Tour fans. We're here in beautiful New York City. Sadly for me, it's a cloudy day. I like bright, sunny, blue sky days, but we're going to walk up Park Avenue. I've been told and gotten comments that people love the walking tours. One woman said she's never been to New York, but when she sees me walking around New York, she feels like she's here in New York City. So to make everybody happy, I don't mind walking tours either. I like to walk 3 to 4 miles a day. Keeps you feeling young. Get to see all the people walking around the streets in New York. They have the road closed off a little bit because they just had the Israel Day parade.
They were blocked to the sidewalk.
And they were afraid of demonstrators, Palestinian demonstrators coming. So they closed off the Madison Avenue is closed off a little bit. Beautiful homes. I wish I lived here. Make it easier for me to make videos. New York City. But there's a lot of places I'd like to live. I'd like to live in Colony, Ireland, too. Some people say they like me talking to them on the videos. Some people say they turn the sound off so they can't hear me talking. And open a bottle of Chardonnay and watch the video. Most people like to hear the street noises though too. The horns, the sirens, it's all part of the feel of being in New York. Here's yet another building under construction. Can't have too many buildings under construction. This is Sunday, May 18th, 2025. If you like videos like this, just hit that red button you see on the bottom of the right-hand side of the corner, lower right-hand side. Punch that and you automatically subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, it's free. Just means you get about a 2-second notification flashed across your phone when I post a new video. Currently we have about 250 videos. We post 3 a week. We're on 78th Street. Park Avenue, as you know, has a railroad underneath the road in the center of the roadway. It used to be above the roadway, and once you go high enough on Park Avenue, it comes back above the ground.
He says they go out every day.
How far?
I don't know. Look at this tonight.
A little blue sky in the distance. Maybe the sun's going to come out after all. I love the sun.
And that me, like, if you want him, you have to Target.
Some of the buses I can get on.
Okay. Oh, before lunch also, yeah. Okay. Okay.
And then you buy some. You buy freedom for Alex.
In the late 1800s, there was a major accident
Yeah, so I think you're gonna want.
on the roadway because they had it underground, the railroad, and they were sort of driving blind through the railroad, and they ran into the rear of another train, and a number of people were killed, like 20 or 30 of them. So that's when it was because they were not electrified. They'd be pumping smoke as well from the steam generation in the locomotive, if you can believe it. So you're in a tunnel that's filling up with smoke, can't see where you're going, and accidents can happen. That's when the city passed a law that all trains underground had to be electrified. That's about the time they invented the third rail, as a matter of fact. Spring flowers. Fortunately, I think April showers are over.
Oh.
There's a dog walker. He'll walk your dog for you, for a fee. I don't know what they charge, but they charge something, I'm sure. Here's how you cross the street.
Wait.
There's wait. It's a little rude, I think. I'm not going to wait.
Bring her in so she can see it in the rain and I bring her back
See
out.
if the rain.
940 Park Avenue. Doctor's offices on the first floor. To help pay for these videos, we're actually travel agents as well, and we have a tour coming up May 7th in 2026 that will start in Dublin. It'll involve going to some of the exterior sites that we used in the TV show on Apple, Bad Sisters. And then we're going to also look at some of the shooting locations at Dublin Castle for the television show on Netflix, which was called
Oh, which
Say
letter?
Nothing.
Police.
And then we're going to start a tour of Southern Ireland, going to Wexford initially, and many of the major cities: Cork, Kinsale, Killarney, Galway, Cliffs of Moher, Bunratty Castle, Barney Castle. You'll see all the highlights of the southern half of Ireland. Then, if you wish, you can opt in for another 7 days. We'd want to know that in advance, of course. Ah, the sun came out. How about that? We're bringing this to you in 4K and 60 frames per second. If you sign up for the trip to Ireland for October 1st, we give you a $250 discount. The price has not yet been fully determined, because we're still contacting places you might be staying and vendors.
To park, or is it someone you
Find out what the total costs are going to be. Beautiful when the sun comes out. Makes even Park Avenue look nicer. The colors pop out more, particularly in 4K and 60 frames per second. Look at this little girl. Her colors pop out. It's getting warm. Well, Gary's Tour fans, this concludes our walk up Park Avenue. And if you like this type of video, please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Subscribe button is the little red button you see on the lower right hand corner of the video. Press that. Free, doesn't cost anything,
It's a major milestone.
and you'll be notified for 2 seconds on your phone when a new video posts. So thank you for watching, folks. This will include our Park Avenue walking.